Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophia and I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'm doing an age appropriate makeup on my little cousin. So sit tight and watch. So as usual, starting off with skin prep, I'm using the snail mucin from Corse and the moist essence from Blossom Cosmetics. Honestly, like these are my two holy grails for hydrating the skin. For priming the skin, I'm using this hydrating primer from omricode. Honestly, chef's kiss, that's all I can say. And for foundation, I'm using these two shades of foundation from avour cosmetics. I know it looks like it's not her shade, but just trust the process because everything worked out later on. So I just used it like at the center of her face. I didn't go all the way to her forehead because I know I was going to use a darker foundation there for her for bronzing and warming up the skin. Can you help someone else when you're feeling bad about yourself? For warming up the skin, I use this foundation from V Beauty. I'd have the shade and everything in the description box. So I just use it on the temples and the hollows of the cheek, and also use it to contour her nose. So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around, trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around, start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance, you don't need to doubt. Ooh, yes, believe in me, there's here. So it's almost time for blush, my favorite part. I'm using this my lip palette from Arts Cosmetics. Honestly, you guys, this lip palette, I use it for everything. I use it for blush, I use it for color correcting, I use it to mix, what, like, name it. I even use it for my eyeshadow sometimes. Like, I just use it for every single thing and it works every time. So yeah, I think that as a makeup artist, you should always have a lip palette in your kit. It's going to help. So it was time for concealing. I used this concealer from Nuban Beauty. Honestly, this shade was a little bit too light for her, so I had to like tone it down a little bit with her foundation to just make everything like tie together. You guys, she was crying a lot here. We struggled a lot. Like, I was going through a lot at this point, but thank God she was crying when I had not like put powder, so it was still like the cream product, so it was easy to maneuver. Okay, so I used my brush to just like blend everything back in. Then this powder, you guys, I hate this powder because tell me why. I don't know, like, I just don't like it. I've tried my best to use it so many times. It doesn't work. It doesn't do anything for me. But people are always saying on the internet that, oh my god, this powder is the best, but this is the worst powder I've ever used in my life. And I regret buying it because I just wasted my money. But anywho, I decided to try it again here, but it still wasn't working. It's fine anyways. Here we're still struggling with the tears and everything. This was a tough one. Yeah. There is just here and now. Can you help someone else when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around, trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around, start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance, you don't need to doubt. Ooh, yes, believe in me, there's here and now. There is
with me. Let's climb mountain high. It's okay to cry. You will get by. Come on with me. There's just here and now. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new world. Just here and now. Ooh, let's just sing and dance. You don't need to doubt. Ooh, just believe in me. There's here and
So this is time for powder blush. I'm using this Shy Girl palette from Blossom Cosmetics and this cute shade. And when I used this shade, I quickly realized that that was not the blush shade I was going for. I wanted something like light baby pink-ish, so I had to get my arts eyeshadow palette, and I used this baby pink shade in it to, like, you know, give it what I actually wanted.
how can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. I've said it before. To dance instead. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance. You don't need to doubt.
This Flawless Ivy setting spray is like the best setting spray. It just melts every single thing down, like your powders won't be there anymore. So I recommend for melting powders. So after that, you know that this is an age appropriate makeup, so I wasn't going to do too much with the brows, so I just filled the brows in and did a lot of brushing just to like make it look full and natural. Like, we didn't do too much with the brows, okay?
That's the ground. So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new.
And after that, I decided to just like clean up the brows a little bit. I used her foundation to do that so that it doesn't look too harsh or like just too much, because that's not what we are going for. For her eyes, I realized I didn't record this part, but I used the powder that I used for her for bronzing her skin. So like I used on her lid to kind of like create a little bit of shadow. And I'm also using this pink glittery shade from my Arts eyeshadow palette. I'm just using my hand to like pick it up and pack it onto her lid. This is just going to give that youthful look. That's just going to make it look cute and all. And then I also use this this same pink shade. I use it at the outer corner of her eye, sorry, the inner corner of her eye, and also like her under eye too, just to, you know, just make it look cute and all of that, because that's what we're going for, something that is age appropriate. There is just here and now.
Can you help someone else when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. I've said it before. To dance instead. Ooh, follow me around. Trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around. Start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance. You don't need to doubt. Ooh, just believe in me. There's here and now. There is just here and now. else when you're feeling bad about yourself? How come they say love will heal everything when it hurts like hell? Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around, trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around, start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance, you don't need to doubt. Ooh, yes, believe in me, there's here and now. There is.
So for mascara, I'm going to use this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this mascara. Like it's okay, but I think it stains a lot. I've actually just learned how to use it, but when I got it the first time, like it just always stained my makeup and I didn't like it. And it was marketed to be stain proof. So I don't understand why it actually stains the under eye. There's this Revlon one I have, and I actually prefer that one. Just that the wand is a little bit too big. I like the wand of this Maybelline mascara, so like I think that's why I actually use it more, just because of the wand, and that is it. But it still gives this very beautiful, like, you know, finish to the eyelashes, like the way it separates it and just makes it look good. I actually like it. So after this, I decided to just use a black eyeshadow at the corners of the eye because I felt like the makeup looks too flat. So I decided to just use a black eyeshadow to make it look like a wing eyeliner.
Everything when it hurts like hell. Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around?
For the lips, I'm using a chocolate brown shade color from my art lip palette. I think I mixed it with a black color there just to make it like deeper. After blending it in, I wanted to do like a cute pink look on her lips, but I didn't want it to be too like bright. I didn't want like something that was too bright. But I first of all I did the pink. After doing the pink, I had even like applied lip gloss and everything, and I just immediately like saw it. I was like, this is not what I'm going for. I wanted something that looks natural, but like not just too pink, but like natural. So I added a little bit of red in the middle, and that immediately gave me what I wanted. So
feel everything when it hurts like hell. Can you travel the world when you don't know your way around? How can you run anywhere when your feet won't even touch the ground? So many thoughts inside of your head. Ooh, follow me around, trust in me, girl. Ooh, let's turn things around, start a whole new world. Ooh, let's just sing and dance, you don't need to doubt. Ooh, yes, believe in me, there's here and now.
and this was the finished look. I loved everything. I love how everything came out. You know, let me know how you feel in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment. Okay, bye. Mwah.
With me, let's climb mountain high.